This week in reading, we are learning about R-controlled vowels. Your teacher might call these bossy R words. When the letter R comes right after a vowel, it makes a special vowel sound. This week, we're learning about AR says R, like in K, R. OR says OR, like in K, OR. And ER says like in H, We have IR and UR that also make the sound, but this week we're just focusing on ER says like in her. Let's go over our new sound rules again. AR says R, OR says OR, ER says Go ahead and say the rules with me this time. AR says R, OR says OR, ER says We're going to practice reading some R-controlled vowel words. We'll do the first couple together. Harm. Cord. Ooh, this one's a little bit longer. Let's look for some chunks. Winter. All right, the rest of these you're going to read on your own, and then we're going to go over them at the end. Ready? Great job. Let's go over those words. The first word that you read was smart. Forget. Storm. Which is perfect, because right now there's a big storm happening while I'm doing this video. Ready? Next one. Sister. Chart. Fern. Arm. Thorn. Marker. And this word had two of our rules in it. AR says R and ER says Now we're going to practice reading some sentences. Great, let's read the first one together. He went to the barber in the park. This is a good one because it's got AR says R and it's got ER says just like the word that we practiced reading together earlier. All right, try to read this one on your own. Ready? All right, let's read it together. Turn the mule in the garden. This is a good sentence because take a look at this word. Remember what we worked on last week? How silent E makes the vowel say its name? Mule. Now we are going to practice spelling some words. So I want you to grab a piece of paper and something to write with. If you do not have those supplies at home, go ahead and just use your finger To practice your spelling, you can spell by writing the word on your table with your finger, or you can practice spelling the word with your finger in the air. Now, remember, before you write your word, I want you to break the word apart on your fingers. Since AR, OR, and ER are making one special sound, when you finger spell, R, or, and should get one finger. So if my word is barn, I should finger spell it like this. B, R, N. And then I could write it. If I were using sound boxes, this is how it would be spelled. B, first sound. R, second sound. So AR, and then N. N would be my third sound. Let's do one more spelling together. Your word is torn. Finger spell first. T, or, N. My first sound was T. T. My second sound was or. O-R, remember? O-R says or. And my third sound is N. Torn. Alright, the rest you are going to do on your own, and then we are going to go over them at the end. Your first word is yard, like I played in my backyard. Yard. North, like on the compost rows, there is north. North. Term. Term. Stork. Stork. Sharp. Sharp. And your last word is herd, like a herd of cows. Herd. If you need to go back and listen to any of those words again, go ahead and rewind on the video so that you can make sure that you got all of them down. All right, let's review. All right, your first word was yard. Y-R-D. Y-A-R-D. Because what's my rule? AR says R. Your next word is north. N or N or. Because what makes that sound? TH, right? Your next word was term. T-er-m. Because what's that rule for remember? ER says Your next word is stork. Stork. S-T blend. Then I hear or. O-R says or. End it with a K. Your next word is sharp. Sh-R. That sh sound we know is S-H-R-A-R, and with a P. And your last word was herd. Herd. H-E-R-D. Now this week we are going to do something a little different. I'm going to give you a sentence to spell. So make sure you have enough room on your paper to do that. When you are spelling, I want you to listen for an AR, ER, or LR word. When you're writing your sentence, you need to remember to start your sentence with a capital letter and end it with a period. All right, your sentence is, the shark is in the North Lake. I'm going to say it again. The shark is in the North Lake. One more time. The shark is in the North Lake. Pause it if you need some extra time. All right, I'm going to put my sentence out. Let's see if it matches yours. The, start with a capital T. Shark, I've got another SH, and I've got AR says R. Shark is in the north, or I've got OR again. TH ending there. Lake. That's another one of those silent E words that we worked on last week. Because when I figure spell lake, lake, I'm hearing that A say its name, so I want to put the silent E on the end. All right, great job today, boys and girls. Today, remember, we learned all about our controlled vowels. We learned that AR says R, OR says OR, and ER says We practice reading, we practice spelling, and now you can practice those R-controlled vowels a little bit more by working with your learning guide. So there are some extra words to spell and to read. There are also 3 stories for you to hunt for some R-controlled vowel words and then to read. I will see you guys next week. Bye, first graders.